This video will show you how to create a Lakehouse cluster in Qlik Talend Data Integration. On the Create page, select Lakehouse Cluster. Give the cluster a name and select the network integration where the cluster will be deployed. Select the space that the cluster will belong to, as this is not inherited from the network integration. In Cluster Capabilities, select the cluster capabilities based on your ingestion sources. In Family Type, select the instance family type to use. Qlik uses similar instance types to archive better spot instance availability and server uptime. Configure the instances. Enter the number of on-demand instances for this cluster and the minimum and maximum number of spot instances to use. Choose an appropriate strategy for your workload. In this case, we keep the low latency. Add a key and value for any tags you want to include that help you identify, organize, and manage resources. When done, click Create. Your Data Lakehouse cluster has been created and will be available in the Lakehouse Cluster section of the Qlik Talend Data Integration. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.